It's interesting how this unhomed chapter of my life has been providing mixed rewards. A large amount of it would be in terms of observational contrasts that both touch on both practical and more philosophical points. For instance, I often find myself sitting at exactly the same place at exactly the same time every day, and clouds coming in from the ocean have taken on a new significance, more so than ever before. They've always been, I guess, aesthetically interesting to me, but they often involve my overall health and the conditions I encounter each night. For instance, this is a beautiful array. At the same time, the banding indicates, okay, it was dry last night. There's a little bit of light cloud. A light possibility in a couple hours of some rainfall, but that would be countered by there being an insulating layer of cloud to keep the day's heat in, followed by another clear area, by more rainfall possibility, by more clear area to release several hours from now most of the day's heat, followed by a drizzle. Temperature regulation is a key part of my life, as is mitigation of moisture for myself and a rather excessive amount of stuff. That's just how I am. So despite the discomfort that these clouds and weather patterns presage or forecast, I still find these clouds, at pretty much like any time of day that's a sunset or a close, to be sublimely beautiful. And I would like to think that regardless of what the actual meaning would be on a personal level of any weather that I see at the day's close or the day's inception, that I will always be able to find that element of beauty and wonder to it. Because after all, I am mortal. And eventually, whether they're beautiful, comfortable ones or ominous, I will see my final sunset. And by making it a daily ritual of appreciation for that, even at the worst times, every day I'll have something to look forward to. And I can refine that as an art through all my days. For the time being, time to hunker down and get ready for what is most likely going to be a very challenging night, or mildly challenging, as it gets darker and darker and darker. And behind the darkness is always that little ball of light. I can relate to both of them.